Criminal homicide. This is an introduction. Murder and manslaughter are two of the offenses that constitute homicide. Let me give you a brief overview of manslaughter before we discuss murder in detail. And then we will discuss manslaughter in detail after we have discussed murder. So basically, manslaughter can be committed in one of three ways. The first type is killing with the intent of murder, but where a partial defense applies, namely loss of control, diminished responsibility, or killing pursuant to a suicide pact. This type of manslaughter falls under the category of voluntary manslaughter. Focus on the word intent in the definition, which makes it voluntary manslaughter. Number two is the conduct that was grossly negligent, given the risk of death, and it did kill. That is manslaughter or gross negligence manslaughter. This comes under the category of involuntary manslaughter. The third type, also commonly considered involuntary manslaughter. This one is the conduct taking the form of an unlawful act involving the danger of some harm that resulted in death. This is an unlawful and dangerous act manslaughter. And as mentioned before, it's considered involuntary manslaughter. There are of course other specific homicide offenses, for example, infanticide and causing deaths by dangerous or careless driving. In the next lecture, let's dig into the discussion of law of murder and discuss the actus reus of murder.